What up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm giving you guys my mod list for my 2015 Honda Civic Si. So I've been doing a lot of installs lately and I want to give you guys a quick rundown of what the mods have installed on my car so far. So let's go. Alright, so the very first mod I did the car, where you can say it's a mod, I replaced my headlights. Now they're still the original OEM headlights. When I first got this car, the headlights were a little bit foggy. I couldn't really see out them, so I just bought brand new headlights for the car. And also I'm running LED light bulbs for my headlights too. So at night I can really see the road and everything like that. So moving down to the fog lights, I'm also running LED fog lights. Did modify about changing the light bulbs out. You can consider that a modification. I'm running AUXITO fog lights bulbs on the car too. So those are the two things I did to the front. Nothing crazy, but I just try to keep it simple when I'm modifying my car. So next, let's move on over here to the wheels. So right now I am running Konig wheels, bronze lockout wheels. Now these wheels are very touching to me because I always wanted bronze wheels, and with the color like this, it's really hard to put wheels on a gray color. So the best possible wheel color I can match with is going with this bronze color. So these Konig wheels are 18 by something. I totally forgot my wheel size. I know you guys do not get me in the comment section about that, but I'm running Konig lockout wheels right now on the Honda Civic. Running on my car is BC Racining Coilovers. That is all that I have. No hood. I have no engine mods, not yet. No turbos, no none of that. Cold air intake, all the fun things people want to see in the video. Okay, so moving along, right now I'm running the HFP kit on my car. Now, people has asked me plenty of times where I bought this kit at. I bought this kit at AuXITO. Hopefully that's correct website. If it's not, I'm gonna have the website right here for you guys so you won't get mad at me. So I basically ordered the whole kit. So I have the front lip, I have the side skirts, and I have the back. So basically I'm running the whole thing on my car. Now, the only thing that is missing is I have to get some paint work. I don't know if I want to change the whole paint color on my car or keep it gray and just get it match what I have right now. So yes, this is the HFP kit. This is the unpainted version. This kit is very nice. Really skeptical of putting the kit on. I don't know why. Just, you know, body kits are really hard to put on. It's a lot of modifications, but this kit actually fit perfectly well. Not all the way, but in a way where the body shop can take care of the rest. Yes, I'm running HFP body kit on the Honda Civic. So yes, the other mods I have for the car, I cannot leave this out. It's one of the best mods. You guys love this mod so much. It is my Invidia Exhaust, and also I'm running a Rev 6 downpipe on the Honda Civic. I'm gonna turn the car on, guys, give you a nice little revs right quick, guys, and see what this car can do. So another mod I have that's very common, I don't really say common, but you should also get this mod added to any of your vehicles out there. What I call is the flashing brake lights. Basically, well, at night, these flashing brake lights, when you press the brake down, they'll blink 3 times for you. 3. Let the car behind you, let them know you need to slow down. These last couple mods I got on the car is, this is a carbon fiber lip for the back window. Now, this is just for aesthetics. It's not nothing crazy. You know, it doesn't help me with aerodynamics and like that, guys. I know a lot of people keep on saying that I installed this wrong. I'm trying to tell you for the 3,025 billion times that this is not wrong. I promise you, this is correctly installed correctly. Please stop hitting me up in the comment section. So then also I installed window visors. Now, a lot of people don't know what window visors is made for. I'm not really going in detail, but I saw some window visors. But yeah, that's basically everything that I have done to the car. So we're gonna go back around to the front. So So that's basically all the mods I've done to the Honda Civic so far. So I have a lot of things in the works that's coming up for you guys. You know, just stay on your toes, stay on your toes. But yeah, that's basically my mod list. Nothing crazy, you know, nothing like, wow, I gotta go get that. Only thing you might want to go get if you run in the same style, same setup, you might want to get some coilovers, you might want to get a downpipe, and you might want to get the Invidia Exhaust. Those are the three main things. Everything else you can basically, you know, do your own thing. But yes, that is what I have. That was what I'm running on my car. That is what I did so far. So yes, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button below. Also guys, hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my updates. And you know the saying on the channel, legit is